Hey there, savvy savers. If you're racking up points on Swagbucks and wondering how to turn those hard-earned SB into real cash in your bank account for 2025, you've come to the right video. Swagbucks is an awesome platform for earning rewards through surveys, shopping, and more, but getting your money out can feel a bit tricky at first. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this quickly and easily. First things first, make sure you have a Swagbucks account set up and that you've accumulated enough SB points. At least 1000 SB for most cash redemptions. Start by logging into your Swagbucks account on their website or app. Once you're in, head over to the Rewards, or Redeem, section, usually found at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. Next, browse through the redemption options. For transferring to your bank, you'll likely need to redeem your SB for PayPal Cash, as Swagbucks often partners with PayPal for direct transfers. Select the PayPal redemption option and enter the amount you want to cash out. Remember, there might be a minimum threshold, like $3 or $5 worth of SB. Now, if you don't already have it linked, you'll need to connect your PayPal account to Swagbucks. Follow the prompts to log into PayPal and authorize the connection. Once that's done, review your redemption details, double-check everything for accuracy, and hit that Redeem button. Swagbucks will process your request, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days in 2025, thanks to their streamlined updates. After the funds hit your PayPal account, log into PayPal and initiate a transfer to your bank account. This might take an additional 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Pro tip: keep an eye on any fees. Swagbucks redemptions are typically free, but bank transfers could have small charges. And just like that, you're all set. By 2025, Swagbucks has made this process even smoother with enhanced security features, so always use a secure connection. If you run into any issues, check the Swagbucks Help Center or contact support. Thanks for watching. Now go enjoy that cash. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.